Hey there, smart people. Let me ask you something. When was the last time you thought about what keeps the world in motion? I'm talking about bearings, the unsung heroes behind electric motors, power tools, cars, ATVs, and even robotics. Here's where we come in. At CW Bearing, we're not just making bearings, we're changing the game. What sets us apart? It's simple. We believe every customer deserves a solution that fits like a glove, not just a one-size-fits-all part off the shelf. That's why we work directly with clients, getting hands-on to design, customize, and optimize bearings for exactly what their application needs. But it's more than just customization. We know price matters. So, our focus: total cost of ownership. We are committed to delivering premium quality, but at a cost that makes sense for your business. No compromises. And while CW Bearing is global, offices and factories from Michigan to Mexico, Texas, California, Asia, and Germany, we never forget the local touch. Local teams, local expertise, quick response to your unique market needs. That's the backbone of how we deliver. Now, we are not just looking at today's needs, we are thinking about the future, growing markets like robotics, automation, and AGVs. We've even expanded our product offering and taken major steps to reduce our carbon footprint because we know sustainability matters to you and your clients. The past few years have tested industries across the globe, but we didn't just weather the storm. We adapted, diversified, and found smarter ways to serve. So, if you're ready to partner with a team that puts your business first, thinks globally, acts locally, and is always innovating, let's connect. CW Bearing, engineered for your success.